Hello kids! Our project for today would be making our DIY flower garden. Are you ready? So we need the following materials for our garden. 1 blue cardboard paper. We also need 3 different colored papers. I'll be using green for the grass and the leaves, yellow and red for the flower. A double-sided tape, and a pair of scissors. Cut a 1.5 by 8.5 inches colored green paper. Using a pair of scissors, cut the edges of the green colored paper. But remember, you only have to cut it halfway through. Once done, attach a double-sided tape at the back and stick it on the blue paper. This time, I'll be cutting the edge of the green paper to make our stem. Attach a double-sided tape at the back of the green paper and stick it on the blue cardboard paper. Cut 8 strips from the yellow paper as they will serve as our petals. Cut a small piece of double-sided tape and attach it on the other side of the paper. Now attach both ends, forming a loop. Now we're ready to construct our flower. Using again a double-sided tape, attach the yellow petals to the stem. I'll be cutting a small circle on this red paper to serve as the center of our flower. What? There's something missing? Oh yes, the leaves! We're done! How do you like our flower garden? You can also make different flowers for your garden. It just depends on your imagination. Thank you for watching!